Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an account in your Fitbit app. Open your Fitbit app. When you see this message, tap on Sign in with Google. When you tap on it, you will see your account on the bottom of the screen. Tap on Continue. Since this is your first time creating an account, you have to tap on Continue as new user. Then, on the screen you will see privacy statements of the app. If you scroll down, you can see two boxes. You have to tap on them to put tick mark. When you are done, tap on Agree and Continue. On the next page, you will be asked about your personal details like your height, weight and your sex. If you tap on height, you can choose between feet or centimeter. And to enter the number, you can scroll on the drop-down menu. Similarly, you can put your weight in either kilogram or lobs. You can change the options by tapping on the respective options. Then, you will have to select your sex. You can do it by tapping on the drop-down menu. When you are done, tap on Continue. And on the next page, it will ask you permission to use your data for research purposes. You can choose to either give permission or not. If you choose to give permission, tap on Agree and Continue, and if you do not, tap on No Thanks. And then on the next page, you will be asked if you would like to receive email notifications on different updates and features of the Fitbit app. There are different categories. If you want to receive news and updates, you can simply toggle it on, and if you want to receive notifications, you can also simply toggle those options on. And if you would like to receive research invites, then you can also simply toggle it on. Tap on Save and Continue. Remember that you can also change it later in your settings. In this page, you will be asked if you will add another device or use Fitbit on this device only. I'm going to choose on this device only. And here you will receive message on what this app actually does. Tap on Continue. And on the next page, you can read about how your data will be managed. Tap on I agree. And on the next page, you will be asked if you want to try Fitbit Premium. If you do not want to, then you can simply tap on the cross icon which will be on the top left corner of your screen. And now you are done. You have successfully created account in Fitbit app. I hope this was helpful. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching.